Hi, I'm Dear Franz. This is Roblox Studio, and let's see today how to paint in Roblox. So I'm choosing editor and going to edit, and let us draw something first. You have to choose brush mode, brush shape, and the material settings. Okay, let it be like everything like it is, and let's choose some material like this, for example. It looks not bad. And now let's switch to paint. Here is the same. You have to choose brush settings, brush size. Let's increase it a little bit. Like that. And materials. Let it be this. Or this. Or that. Nice. That's it. Thank you. Bye.